Ayan guys, so may tapos ng fishing. Yan ang boat. Yan.
Ay, ano ba?
Tika.
Sure.
Yan. Ayan ang boat, pauwi na. Yan. Ayan si guys, so ayan.
What even is inside here? This is what even is inside here? Disgusting.
So katiibon, this bird, the black bird. Maybe looking the fish.
Dad, look.
Huh?
Look how big is this.
I don't know. Maybe seal.
Probably an
Yeah.
oyster.
No, shellfish.
No, oyster for pearl.
Like nails.
Is it a snail?
Huwag mo ilagay dyan na ano kasi.
Ew, there's literally like, there's like seafoods.
Hmm?
There's like, you know. Mom, your phone is gonna drop.
Yeah. Yan si guys. Tapos na siya mag-fishing. Tapos na nag-fishing. Tapos yan nagagala ng aso. May nagbibingwit rin to surprise.
Look how big.
Okay.
Look at the bigger ones.
The nails. Yeah,
Okay,
like
come here. Ted.
nails, big nails.
Dad, be quick.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Your daddy is ang ganda kasi dito sana. Ulit mo naman kasi.
These are my collections, Dad. Dad, these are gonna be my collection. Dad. Dad. this
Okay,
is
you
gonna
guys,
be
go,
my
go.
collections. Dad, these
Pa! Right.
are 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can you get the phone up?
Mom, these
my
are
tummy
gonna
is
be
sore.
my. These are gonna be my. What do you call that?
Collection?
Yeah.
You got the big black bird? Bird, the one. The
No.
long nail.
It's a pecker.
I could throw it and kill it.
No.
Yeah. He
Then
cut
what are
and then
those for? Are they for
he put the feeding Asher.
Uh-huh.
Asher he's eat that one.
Maybe it has.
Ayan guys.
Maybe it has holes.
Uuwi na tayo tapos ng ating gala. So, balik na tayo sa ating sasakyan. Tara. Ayun na yung ano boat. Ayun guys yung boat. May darating siguro. May darating kaya kukunin niya yun. Isang malaking boat. Siguro magkakarga siguro ng tao yan. Kaya niya kukunin niya.
Dad, how did you even teleport there? I found a lobster. Dad,
Huh?
I found a lobster.
The boat in there, he pick up the big boat.
How do I get
The
up?
pilot one. Huwag ka dito malaglag ka.
Then why are you there? Unfit.
Ayun guys, kukunin niya yung malaking boat na yan. kukunin niya yung malaking boat. Dali niya dito. Ayun, isa na naman ang palabas. Lalabas yan, fishing. Fishing amunot. Tara. Ganda ng boat niya. Oh. Ganda ng fishing yan.
Bullet.
Ganda yung boat niya.
These are
Oh.
actually.
Ano, fiberglass. Let's go.
I need to put perfume on this. This smells so bad.
Yeah.
Uy, mag-picture tayong tatlo, babe. Parang wala kang pakialam sa mundo ah.
I care about it.
Saan na?
Dito, dito, dito.
Saan?
Uy, pahiram ako ng stand mo. Dito.
Huwag din sa ano, sa flat. Ano mo hanap na? Charlotte.
Okay. Diyan na kayo, dyan na.
Yeah, dito lang. Ginawa.
Ay, labas mo na konti para maanuhan ko.
Dito, dito.
Saan siya? Out.
Wait.
Dalian na, hindi mag-ano doon. Doon, doon. Sa dulo pa.
This is
Go backward. Dali.
Wait.
Dali, dulo sa dulo. Dulo pa, Han. Dulo pa. Wag dyan.
Please na.
Move backward, move backward, move backward.
Boom.
Hi! Parang hiya ka.
What
Meron,
happened?
he's vlogging. Oh my goodness me.
Dad, that's weird.
He's so mean. Don't even tell us.
Even the bird said true.
He's meanie.
Ayan guys, oh. Lumunit sila. Yeah. Ginlock na nila doon, maganda pisingan doon eh.
Is it that rock that you hit and the fucking the reel fucked up?
Yan guys. Uwi na tayo, so yan guys. Ganda na. Ayun. Yan. Mga house view. CV OME. At may mga pangalan nito. 520. Ayan guys, oh. Ibon. Ibon. Ang tawag dito. Ibon. Albatros. Pik, 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 pik. Albatros.
It's dangerous, so, you know, I got to stage right.
Albatros. Ayun guys, tapos na siya mamunit kaya ano na siya, balik na siya, sampa na siya sa trailer niya na tapos na fishing. Ayun. Ayan guys, easy oh. Tignan mo. Ayan guys, nisampa niya sa trailer yung kanya. Ayan na yung boat kanina.
United Kingdom. So, your friends might be going to somewhere else.
Ano daw?
Lucky birds having a freedom.
Oh? Where?
Up the air, flying.
They're flying up right as the sky.
Yeah, as high as they can be.
Fly high. And I think that's
Okay, tingnan mo. Senator yun, di ba?
Jesus is birds.
Their wings.
Yeah. But fairy tales mean, and fairy tales say, I've heard about it.
Hmm.
They're trying to make a ring.
Laki. Big. Ayan. Tapos na siya mag-fishing. Yeah. tayo sa ating sasakyan. Kaya uwi na tayo. Ayan guys, uwi na tayo at magpahinga. Ang time ay alas 2 na ng hapon. So thank you for watch sa ating mga supporter dyan, saka mga followers. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next one. Bye bye.